Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in the previous video we discussed about that concept 5 which is related to area of a sector, right? And in the same way, in that concept we learned that length of the sector also, okay? Depends on those two concepts. So here we are having that worksheet 5 questions. What is the first question here? The radius of a sector is 21 centimeters. If its angle is 120 degrees, then the area of a sector, okay, then the area of a sector we need to find out. Okay, now here see that what is the formula to find that area of a sector, ma? Area of a sector formula is x by 360 into pi r square. Here x is equals to angle made by the sector. Okay, this is the shape of that sector now here. This area we need to find out. Here angle is there. This is x degrees. Okay, angle made by the sector, that is x, and here radius means this is the radius. In a circle already we learnt, no ma, here radius, which one is that sector here? This is a circle. Here this is the center point of the circle. Here this is the radius and this is the radius. The part which is covered by the two radii of the circle, and in the same way length of the arc, along with that length of the arc. This part is called sector. This part is called sector. Okay, in this sector, which one is x ma here? X is angle made by the sector at that center point. Here this is x degrees. Am I clear to you? And here this is the radius r, and this is also radius, and this is the length of the arc. Length of an arc. Here this is arc. Understood? Now here what they are asking, to find that x value here, yes, sorry, we find that area we need to find out. Now here see here ma, what they given, x is equals to angle 120 degrees, 120 degrees by 360 degrees into pi is equal to value they didn't mention, no, value didn't mention means we need to take that one as 22 by 7 into r square. R is equals to here how much? The radius of a sector is 21 centimeters. So 21 centimeters into 21 centimeters. R square, no? So R 2 times itself multiply, no? Yes. 0, 0 cancel. 12 ones, 12 threes. Okay, ma? Any other cancellation? Yes. 7 ones, 7 threes. Again 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Is there anywhere? Yes, any cancellations possible? Here completed, here not there, yes. 22 into, and here 21 centimeters into centimeters, centimeter square. Okay, finally here 22 into 21. Okay, 1 2's 2 and 2. 2 2's 4, 2 2's 4. Here 2, 6, 4. 462 centimeters square. Finally, what is that answer ma? Here area of a sector is 462 centimeters square. And see that here meter square as well as centimeter square. Units are different they given, no? But as per that option, as per that given question here centimeters there, that's why 462 centimeters square. Okay? Yes. Next, second one, the angle of a sector is 30 degrees. What they given? Angle of a sector is 30 degrees. In a sector, yes, the angle of a sector is how much ma? 30 degrees, and radius is 42 centimeters is the radius, and then the length of the arc of the sector. Okay, this length we need to find out. Okay, what is the formula to find that length of a sector here? Length of a sector, that is x by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. X by 360 degrees into 2 pi r, which is equals to, x is equals to how many degrees ma? 30 degrees by 360 degrees. 30 by 360 degrees into 2 into pi value they didn't mention, no? So we can take that one as 22 by 7 into r is equals to 42 centimeters. Okay, now cancellation, see here. 7 1 7 6 42. Next here 0 and 0 gets cancelled, 3 12 36. Okay, next 2 1s 2 6 12. Again 6 and 6 gets cancelled. Then here which is equals to, here all the values cancelled, here also completed and here also completed, only 22 there, 22 centimeters. Then here what is the length of this arc ma here? This length we need to find out. This length is equals to here 22 centimeters. Okay, which option is correct here? Option A, 22 centimeters. Clear? Yes. Third one, if the length of an arc and radius of a sector, yes, see here. Length of an arc and radius of a sector 28 centimeters and 14 centimeters. Yes, this is 28 centimeters. Here to here 28 centimeters. And this is radius, how much they given ma? 14 centimeters. And what we need to find out then? The area of a sector. Okay, to find that area of a sector, here x degrees angle required, no? But here angle they didn't mention. Okay, that's why here first what they given that length of a sector. Length of a sector, how much they given here? Length of a sector is 28 centimeters they given. What is the formula to find that length of a sector ma here? That is x by 360 degrees into 2 pi r, which is equals to 28 centimeters. That's what they given here. Okay, and in the same way x we need to find out, no? X by 360 degrees into 2 into pi value they didn't mention, so that's why take here 22 by 7 into r is equals to they given as 14 centimeters, which is equals to 28 centimeters. Cancellations ma, see here cancellations. 7 1s 7 2s. Is there any other cancellation? 2 1s 2 180s, 2 11s 2 90s, 2 1s 2 45s. That's it. Okay, now here see that x by 45 degrees, x by 45, yes, into here 2 cancelled and here 11 by 1, yes, this is cancelled, no? Yes, into 11, which is equals to here 28 centimeters. 28 centimeters. And here one more thing is there. What is that? Here also centimeters there, no? Yes, here also centimeters there. Now here this is degrees. X is equals to 28 centimeters into 45 degrees by 11 centimeters. Clear ma? Now cancellations here, centimeters gets cancelled. Is there any cancellations possible? Yes, cancellations not possible. Then here x is equals to 28 into 45 degrees by 11. This is angle. Okay, no need to take that product and don't do that any cancellations also. Leave like this. This is the angle of a sector. Okay, for easy calculation, don't take that any product and don't take that any division here. Okay ma, this is that angle of a sector. Now what we need to find out here, as per the given question, we need to find that area of a sector. What is the formula to find that area of a sector here? Now area of a sector, area of a sector, which is equals to, the formula is x by 360 degrees into pi r square into pi r square, which is equals to, x is equal to how much we got ma here? That is 28 into 45 degrees whole by 11 into 360 degrees. Why? Because here also in denominator we have that 11 and here denominator we are having that 360. Okay, into pi is equal to 22 by 7 into r is equals to, how already they given now here, r is equal to 14 centimeters. Then here 14 centimeters into 14 centimeters. Now see that cancellations possible or not here. 7 1s 7 2s. Okay, next 11 months, 11 twos cancel. Next ma, here say that 45 ones 45, 45 into how much is equal to 360, 45 twos 90, 90 fours 360, which means 45 eights 360. 8 5s 40, 8 4s 32 plus 4 36 360. Okay, 8s. Clear ma? Next, any other cancellation here? Yes, 2 ones, 2 fours, 4 ones, 4 sevens. Okay, is there anywhere cancellations possible here? Yes, completed. Now here see that 7 and denominator nothing is there, no, into, here this one also totally cancelled, into 2 into 14. 2 centimeters into 14 centimeters. Okay, now here 7 2s 14 centimeters into 14 centimeters. 14 14s how much ma? That is 196 centimeters square. This is the area of a sector. Okay, finally what is that answer here? Answer is 196 centimeters square. Clear? Yes. Fourth question, see that here also they given that 4L, that is L ma here, 4L is equals to 2R is equals to 84 centimeters. Then area of the sector. Area of the sector we know that, but here area of the sector formula we know that. In that formula we are having that angle of a sector, no? But here angle they didn't give in that question. That's why by using that length of the arc of a sector, we can find that angle. Just like the previous one only. Here see that ma, 4L is equals to 84 centimeters and in the same way 2R is equals to 84 centimeters. From this one, L is equals to 84 centimeters by 4. 4 21s. Then here L is equals to 21 centimeters. L means here length of the sector. Okay, length of an arc of the sector. And here R is equals to 84 centimeters by 2. 2 4s 8 and here 2 2s 4. Then here R is equals to 42 centimeters. This is the radius of the sector. Now we have that these two values, no? Now here length of a sector, how much we got here? Length of a sector, which is equals to here, what is that formula ma? X by 360 degrees into 2 pi R, which is equal to how much we got here? Length is 21 centimeters. Length is 21 centimeters. Now just substitute those values ma here, which is equals to x by 360 degrees into 2 into pi is equal to 22 by 7 into R is equal to, we got here 42 centimeters is equal to length is 21 centimeters. Okay, now cancellation see here, 7 ones 7 6 42 and here 6 ones 6 60s. Okay, 2 ones 2 30s, 2 15s, 2 11s. Is there any other cancellations ma? Not possible. And finally here, see that x by 15 and here into 11 into 1 only, no? Yes, 11 centimeters is equal to 21 centimeters. Now here from this one, x is equal to 21 centimeters into 15 by 11 centimeters. Centimeters cancel. Then here x is equals to 21 into 15 by 11. Okay, again here also don't take that any product and don't cancel that any number. And this is that angle of the sector. Now we have that angle also, no? Then easily we can find that area of a sector now. See that. Now here area of a sector. Area of a sector is equals to, what is that formula here? X by 360 into pi r square. Here x is equal to how much we got ma? Here x is equal to 21 into 15 by 11 into 360 into pi is equal to 22 by 7 into r is equals to, radius is equal to 42 centimeters. 42 centimeters into 42 centimeters. Again do that cancellations here. Cancellations possible, no? Say that cancellations ma here. 7 ones, 7 6, 42. Okay, 6 ones and here 6 60s. 11 ones, 11 twos. 15 ones, 15 fours. Okay, 2 ones, 2 twos. Any other cancellations? Yes. 2 20 ones. 2 20 ones. Okay ma? Yes. And finally here the leftover 21 is there, and here no number, and here also 1, and finally here 21 centimeter into centimeter, that is centimeter square. 21 into 21, how much more here? 21 into 21, 441, 1 2 2 4 441, 441 centimeter square. This is that area of a sector, 441 centimeter square. Option B. Clear? Yes. Question number 5. This is also just like the previous one only. See here ma. What they given? 4L is equals to 3R centimeters. Yes. Where R is equals to 36 centimeters. Yes. 4L is equals to 3 into R is equals to here 36 centimeters. Okay, then the area of the sector. Fine. Here also first we need to find that L value. Okay, then L is equals to 3 into 36 centimeters by here 4 is there, no, by 4. 4 ones, 4 nines, 36. Finally L is equal to 3 nines, 27 centimeters. This is the length of the arc. Okay, now here what is the formula here? Length of the arc, length of the sector. Length of the arc formula, length of the arc of a sector. How to find ma here? That is x by 360 degrees into 2 pi r, which is equals to here 27 centimeters. 27 centimeters. Now here x by 360 degrees, again we need to find that x value here first, into 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equals to, already they given 36 centimeters, is equals to 27 centimeters. Okay ma? Now here x value we need to find out. Okay, 2 ones, 2 180s, 2 11s, 2 90s, and here yes 6 6 36, 6 15s. Okay, clear? Yes. Is there any other cancellations ma? Yes, still cancellations there. 3 2s, 3 5s. Finally here x by 5 and here 11 by 7 into here 2 is there, 2 centimeters is equal to 27 centimeters. Okay, from this one x value we need to find out now. Then here x is equals to, see that 27 centimeters, 27 centimeters, and here by 5 become as into 5, and here in the same way by 7 is there, that is into 7 whole by, here numerators we are having that 11 into 2, that one become as the denominator 11 into 2. Okay ma? And in the same way 2 centimeters, no? Yes, 2 centimeters. Here centimeters gets cancelled. Finally here x is equal to 27 into 5 into 7 by 11 into 2. Is there any cancellations possible ma? Cancellations not possible here. That's why I leave like this only, x value here. Okay, now area of a sector. Area of a sector. Area of a sector formula, x by 360 degrees into pi r square, which is equals to, x is equal to how much we got here? 27 into 5 into 7 by 11 into 2 into 360 degrees into 22 by 7 into r is equals to how much ma here they given? R is equal to 36 centimeters. That's why here 36 centimeters into 36 centimeters. Okay, now again see that cancellations properly here. See that ma? Yes. Directly do the cancellation. 11 months, 11 twos. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 36 ones, 36 tens. Okay. 5 ones, 5 twos. 2 ones, 2 18s. Okay. 7 and 7. Cancel. Okay. All the values completed, Noma? Yes. Now here finally we are having here 27 into, which is equals to 27 into, here cancellations possible, no? Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square into 18 centimeter square. Okay. Now here see that 27 into 18, 18 sevens here, yes, 126. 18 twos, 36, 36 plus 12, 36 plus 12 is equals to, yes, 36, 46, 48, 486 centimeter square. Finally, this is that area of a sector, 486 centimeter square. Option C. Okay, children, up to here in this video we learned that 1 to 5 questions. Okay, totally 10 questions there. 1 to 5 questions we learned in this video. Next 6 to 10 questions we will discuss in that next video. Okay, thank you all.